Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Best Budget Gaming Mouse. Mouses are precisely designed with accurately placed buttons for your hands that deserve a comfy gaming experience. Unless you know exactly what type of mouse is best suited for your gaming, now here is the good news. You don't have to burn a hole in the pocket for excellent and accurate performance, but you might not get a wireless design or full RGB lighting for a mouse to fit in your budget. We are here to pitch in to select the best for you only. DPI. The first and foremost thing to be taken care is of DPI. The full form of DPI is dots per inch. To illustrate is the measurement of how sensitive your mouse is. Mind you, it is different from usual sensitivity setting. They are categorized into two types: low DPI and high DPI. Acceleration. It has the ability of the mouse to move quickly based on how fast you can run. For example, if you move 1 inch, then the cursor will be displayed up to 1000 pixels within half a second. Acceleration of the gaming mouse is expressed in G forces. 1G is equals to 9.8 meters per second. Wired or wireless. With the advancement in technology, a wireless mouse is introduced in the era. Sensors. Optical sensors are very popular, so laser is the face of hardcore gaming of the new era. It has a faster and more accurate response time than the gaming mouse using optic ones. However, people still prefer the optic sensor gaming mouse. Adjustable weight. Call us excessive, but there is a gaming mouse which is invented for adjustable weight. A few gaming mouse provides the privilege of selecting weights by inserting and customizing the weight. Design and comfort. Most mice are economically designed so that users are satisfied, but honestly comfort level varies across a number of people. So we would recommend trying different shapes and sizes before purchasing one. I hope you make the best choice. Pro gamers prefer and suggest using a lighter, simple mouse that includes few buttons. Lighting games mouse only not would affect your wrist while playing. Also, it can easily slide across the mouse pads or table with the speed. Some best budget gaming mouse: Logitech G203 Pro G RGB. Logitech mouse would not burn a hole in your pocket as it is affordable at greater prices. Razer Naga Trinity. To begin with, this is the latest version of Naga Trinity. This mouse is comfy for your wrist, smaller in design and equipped with 3 interchangeable thumb grips and optical sensors. Razer Death Elite. It is one and only fantastically shaped all-rounder for all sorts of hand sizes and grips. It never messes with the shape of its own despite of using over the years. Next is Corsair Iron Claw RGB. The Iron Claw is well-known mouse, well-tested by gamers. It has a smooth blend of matte finish on the buttons to the gripping rubber sides and wavy rubber on a scrolling wheel. Each one of them confirms the best in their function. SteelSeries Sensei 310. The updated version of the mouse manufactured by SteelSeries is the brand new Sensei 310, a classic mouse. The new plastic enveloped over the whole mouse body provides better gripping while using the sweaty palms. Last but not the least, conclusion. As you can see above, there are mouse for every gaming use, best in quality, designed with sturdy designed and well-placed buttons. Each and every mouse is scrutinized by the eminent professionals of technology so that you don't have to worry about it. I hope this list is beneficial and helping for you. Sharing is caring. If the above suggestions work for you, then don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.